It's time to talk about espionage. Now, espionage manifests as cyber spying.
This is where the threat actors infiltrate the networks to exfiltrate confidential data. Now, they are not just about your secrets, but they are also targeting proprietary technologies. They are targeting your negotiation strategies. And they are even looking at personal information of high-ranking officials and executives. Now, I want to put a spotlight on infamous case of the Titan Rain attacks. This is where the Chinese hackers were suspected of orchestrating a systematic penetration of US defense contractors, stealing sensitive military data. Also, another attack that we all must be aware of is the SolarWinds hack.
This was a sophisticated cyber espionage campaign that compromised thousands of private and government sector networks. Now, for the corporate world, the threat of espionage means not just the loss of data, but the potential erosion of competitive advantage as well.
Protecting against such threats requires robust encryption, strict access controls, and also continuous monitoring strategy. It's about creating multiple layers of defense and fostering a culture of security awareness. Now, what happens if a top executive's email is compromised? Suddenly, years of research, months of negotiation data, and countless investments are at risk. This is not just a hypothetical situation, but it's a real and present danger in today's world. Now that's about espionage, ladies and gentlemen. Your vigilance and preparedness can make all the difference. So stay informed, stay alert, and continue to be the first line of defense against these invisible yet impactful threats. Alright, it's time to now chat about service disruption. Let's continue to learn about this motivation in the next section. Thank you.